Hello everyone, hope this message finds you well. I'm going to take you through entrepreneurship in agribusiness. What is entrepreneurship? This is when an individual makes something special and valuable out of anything available, out of any available means or resources. Now we are going to use this soda bottle. We are going to use it to make a turkey drinker. We have our turkeys, so you have to make them drinkers without spending a lot, as you see. As you see, it's now well cut, ready to receive the drinking water. You can use a sharp knife and you cut it. So we are now going to put water and we give it to our animals. They can be given to animals or the birds. Then here we are dealing with birds, which are turkeys. We are going to clean it thoroughly well so that we remove the soda substances, so that we purely provide water, clean water to the birds. Here we are putting water so that we can give to our turkey. Clean water, ensure clean water. Here is our turkey drinking from what we've made for it with just the available means. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.